Shifting motivation meditation. Make sure that you're comfortable, preferably lying down, and allow your eyelids to gently close. And say to yourself or out loud, I am exactly where I need to be. I am exactly where I need to be. Relax your face, your forehead, eyelids, cheeks, and jaw. Bring your awareness to the steady rhythm of your breath. Don't alter it or change it. Just observe. Good. Now this time breathe in deeply and let all judgment and worry go. Breathe in deeply again and let it all go. When you allow yourself to calm, both body and mind, you allow shifting, transformation, relaxation. Starting from the top of your head and moving down to the tips of your toes. Release every muscle and ligament in your body, starting with your scalp. Say to yourself or out loud, I release you. Moving down your neck, I release you. Through your shoulders, I release you. The upper part of your back, I release you. Your arms, forearms, and fingertips, I release you. Your chest, I release you. All the way down your abdomen and lower back, I release you. Any tension that's housed in your hips, say to yourself, I release you. Your thighs and hamstrings, kneecaps, shins and calves, I release you. Down through your toes. All tension and worry are free from your body. You are calm. You are relaxed. Your body becomes heavier and heavier, yet your mind becomes clearer and clearer. Anything that you can visualize in your mind, you can manifest in your physical reality. Everything starts in your mind. Right now, I want you to paint a picture in your mind of your desired reality. What do you look like? How do you feel? How do you talk? Visualize in great detail your best self in your desired reality. Paint that picture right now. Wonderful. Now on the screen of your mind, visualize your favorite activities to do in your desired reality. How do you enjoy spending your time? Who do you interact with? And how do you feel? Visualize every detail that comes to your mind. There's no right or wrong way. This is your reality. The more clear these pictures become on the screen of your mind, the easier a shift feels for you. When you have clear pictures of where you are going, a shift becomes natural, effortless, peaceful. No stress attached. Now more than ever, you will be aware of your thoughts. Negative thinking, disbelief, judgment, worry or doubt. When you notice a thought that does not support you, you will stop and say, "No, thank you." You are in charge of your thoughts. The more supportive that your thoughts become, the easier shifting will feel for you. Now and moving forward, you will become a master of your mind. Preconditioned programs will no longer exist. You will decide what you focus your energy on and how you feel. Breathe in deeply and let it all go. Breathe in deeply and let it all go. You are exactly where you need to be. Repeat these affirmations. I am calm. I am peace. I am relaxed. I am powerful. I determine my reality. I am patient. I am kind. And I am loving towards myself and others. Throughout your evening and your day, feel free to bring these images of your desired reality to the forefront of your mind. If something inspires you, make a mental note to bring that into your desired reality. There's no rush. There's no pressure. There's no worry. The reality that you're living in right now is a byproduct of your thoughts and your perceptions. So just as you too have created this reality, you have the ability and power to create that which you desire. Say to yourself, I believe in my ability. I am confident in where I'm going. I believe in my ability. And I am confident of where I'm going. One last deep breath in.